We have a range of wheel balancers from the C100 manual spin, suitable for mobile tyre fitting, right up to the C600 Plus pneumatic option. Now let me show you how to balance an alloy wheel. After removing any old weights from the wheel, lift the wheel and place it onto the shaft. Place the correct size cone to the centre of the wheel. Apply the clamp and twist to lock into place. Next, we record the distance from the balance cabinet to the inside edge of the wheel rim using the measuring arm. Now set up the machine for the correct type of wheel and weight position. Lower the hood and the balancer will spin the wheel to check the balance is correct. On less advanced machines, you manually enter the wheel's width and diameter, but our machines have a sonar sensor that does all of this for you. The balancer will tell you how much weight to add and where to add it. Some balancers also have a laser to indicate the area to apply the weight. Now choose the correct combination of weights to stick on. If this were a steel wheel, you would use knock-on weights instead. Add the weights to the wheel as indicated by the balancer. Once the weights are added, re-lower the hood and the wheel will rotate again. If the balancer is now correct, the screen will show zeros.